How to update any graphics card on Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's tutorial we will see how we can update graphic cards in Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started with our video. So for that, first of all, click on your search icon and in the search bar search for device manager. Once you search for it, click on it. After that, you will get this kind of pop-up box in your interface. So from here, you have to go to display adapter and expand it. Here you get to see your graphics card. Now choose the one that you want to upgrade. After that, click on it and right click on it. Now go to update driver. Here you can go to the second option that says browse my computers for driver. Click on it. And from here, click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my device. Now you have to choose the drivers or the graphics card that is recommended, or you can choose the one here. That is this right here, and click on next. Here it says Windows has successfully updated your drivers. So that's the way to update your graphics card in Windows 11. You can close this, or you can simply go to your card from here on a display adapter and click on update driver, and here you can go for search automatically for driver, and here you can choose your driver. Here it says the drivers or the base drivers for your device is already installed. So that's the way how you can update any graphics card in your Windows 11. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.